We're flooded out again. They said that we were going to be okay. They put in new drains. Wait. There. Yeah, you can actually see that one bubbling. And pretty sure down there, I can't tell. Yeah, I'm just walking down here. Yeah, we're starting to flood out. That took them 2 days to set up. But our gazebo and gazebo hub is kind of turning into a thing. Brand new car. It's getting flooded again. In there, it's actually like a waterbed. Yeah, it's awful. But like, we're doing okay. But like, yeah, we're not doing too good. This turned into like a heap. This is my swag. This is getting not too good. I feel bad for all these people. What now? Like, it's like, over here, it was absolutely flowing just over there before. I'll see if I can get it. Yeah. Some water bubbling down under the road there. Yeah, more bubbling. Just there. There. Brand new cabins, just about. Yeah, not really as bad anymore. Yeah, flooded again.